You asked, how to divide 6523 by 23 using the long division method. 6 is too small. Use 65. 65 divided by 23 equals 2. 2 times 23 equals 46. 65 minus 46 equals 19. Bring down 2, making 192. 192 divided by 23 equals 8. 8 times 23 equals 184. 192 minus 184 equals 8. Bring down 3, making 83. 83 divided by 23 equals 3. 3 times 23 equals 69. 83 minus 69 equals 14. The remainder is 14. The final result is 283 remainder 14.